This is our late night tornado party. Hanging out in the basement. Eloise, who you got?
Slide.
Oh, are you on the slide?
Yeah.
You're going backwards. That's a step. Hi.
Wait, though.
Can you tell me, what did you learn about the thunder today?
The noises. Noises.
It is noisy, but what does it sound like?
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Yeah, it's right. It's okay. What does the thunder sound like?
Make a noise.
Yeah, it's making noise. What kind of noise?
I play this noise.
Yeah, it's like a really loud airplane, right?
It's up high.
Yeah, it's up high in the sky. So it's okay. It's not going to hurt anything, right? No, it's just thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah. Are you going to go down the slide?
Might be there.
Oh, you want to sit here too? Eloise doesn't mind having late night tornado parties. Kid was dead asleep when I woke her up. She's like, downstairs.
That's here.
Yeah. Who do you got in your arms? Who are you holding? Who's this?
Side.
No, who's this guy?
Mickey.
Mickey. What's Mickey say?
Up high.
Does Mickey say, haha?
Yeah.
Can you do it? Be careful there, kiddo. Sit on your bottom. Good job. You're going backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Mickey's down his eye.
You do Mickey down the side. Wow. That was so fun. Thanks, Eloise.
Get the Owie's.
Right.
Owie's turn.
Oh, it's Eloise's turn to it on the side. All right, you go down the side one more time, and then you say, night-night, everybody.
I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Come on.
Oh, she keeps yelling at Olive because Olive's, like, standing at the top of the stairs.
Hey, Albie. Hey, Albie.
No, you're not going upstairs. You stay down here with Mama. Yeah, can you come and get your Mickey?
No.
Yeah.
Albie, come on. Albie, come on.
Oh, man.
Albie, come on. Albie, come on.
All right. Nope, don't go in there, Eloise. Can you close that door? Wrong way. All right. Bye, guys. Love you. Oh, that's like the start of a horror movie. I promise everything is fine. We're just going to close that door because it's like the hot water tank. You're going to close it? Oh, good job.
White.
Yeah, it's dark in there.
Sky in there.
Yeah, it's dark in there.
Yeah. Sky in there.
All right, this is painfully long.
Potty in there.
Yeah, that's how the diapers go, Smarty Pants. Love you guys.